With RapidPipeline's Bake Materials action, you can bake material properties such as color, normals, and ambient occlusion into textures. In this example, we have a shoe model that has 4 materials and a total of 12 texture maps. For a single asset, this level of material complexity can quickly impact performance. While it is entirely possible to manually create new UVs and bake new texture atlases using a 3D tool, this is a rather slow and time-consuming process. This is where RapidPipeline for Unreal Engine helps automate your workflow. By selecting the Bake Materials action, you can find a range of customizable baking settings. These include a texture baking resolution setting, normal map baking options, and even the option to bake an ambient occlusion map. Depending on your use case, you can even edit the Atlas mode to control the number of materials created, increase the number of texture sets, or even decide to merge meshes based on their materials. For this example, we will stick to the default settings and simply hit run. And just like that, the shoe's materials have been baked from 4 materials down to 1. The texture count has also been reduced from 12 maps to 3. The result is a much lighter, more performance-friendly asset that is ready for real-time use.
Optimize your models fast, flexibly, and effortlessly with RapidPipeline for Unreal Engine. Try it for free or chat with our human team directly on our website.